divine gifted personalities. We teach the poor people, particularly government colleges, schools, the left out children, drop out
Yes, sir.
children, disturbed family children, hungry people, angry people, shattered families, those left out junk come to us. But we make children, the bright citizens and decent society. Teachers profession, noblest, humblest profession. Our payment also purest, whitest, hardest money. Teacher is a teacher. Please enjoy teaching. Live in teaching. Not alone, love teaching, live in teaching. After the class is over, the children come to you, Madam, class is interesting. Enough. On that day, your successful day. Our children's smile will certify our profession. That's why I say, smile a while to file your smile in your smile profile. Smile. Smile a while to file your smile in your smile profile. Smile. Children must learn ABC. ABC means always be cheerful. ABC means always be cheerful. The most important. That's why such a biggest college. I am very happy to repeat it once again. So fine, coming to point, yoga subject. Yeah, early morning, Surya Pranayama, most important. I have gone through countless books on yoga. Even Gita, I got Gita, Bhagavad Gita, 16 varied authors are with me. Kuru Karmani, do your duty. Samatvam Yoga Uchyate, Samatva, equality. How? Unity. Unity, equality, stability. Unity, equality, stability, harmony, peace. Ekatvam, Samatvam, Sthirastvam, Samarastam, Shanti. That's all. One must have your own. Ekatvam, unity. Equality, Samatvam. Stability, Sthiratham. Harmony, Samarasyam. Peace, Shanti. That's all. I say, children, on your birthday, taking the blessings of your mother, make a resolution that I will not use any medicine unless emergency. I don't want to use cell phone, electronic gadgets, much wrong, danger. So without knowing these things of lifestyle, you cannot do yoga. Yoga is incomplete. That's why never use cell phone more than 10 to 15 minutes at a stretch. That to cell phone, this cell phone should not touch the skin. No, radiation effect. Radiation effect, wrong. And how to talk? Brief talk. Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this? What's the matter? Bye. Over cell phone talk. Hello, who is this? What's the matter? Bye. Enough. Very brief. Try to meet. Of Corona down now. Meet them personally. Talk to them. Laugh freely. Laugh freely. Free laughter. Free laughter. Vocal fitness. That's why I say vocal fitness most important. Vocal fitness. Vocal yoga. Vocal yoga most important. If teachers are good at speaking, oh, nothing like it. What else? Children are blessed with you. You must be vocally strong. Be vocal, be local, otherwise non-local. So be vocal, be local, otherwise non. So be focal, be global. Fine. So where are we now? Early morning Surya Pranayama. Fine. So Surya Pranayama, early morning, before 8 o'clock or after 4 o'clock evening, look at the sun, stand or sit this way, this posture, close your lips, then plug your nose to the sun. As we plug our cell phone to the current battery, so also plug your nose to the sun, open nostrils like this, so that sun rays will pass through your nostrils into the body. Oh, what else? Ultimate energy, infinite energy. Sun has got infinite energy. Explore, exploit, experience. Explore, exploit, experience. How much time? 1 minute, 2, 3 breaths. But better, before going to Surya Pranayama, drink water. Otherwise, it develops giddiness, radiation may not withstand, and dehydration. What dehydration? Less water. Very simple. Drink 2 glasses of water, big glass 200, no problem. Half liter, no problem. Liter, no problem, don't worry. Better half liter is enough. But check your height and weight and all those requirements. Right? Warm water can do. Right. So again, Puchar, I'm showing very simple, simplest, accessible, affordable, approachable, comfortable. What else? Need not purchase money. You need not spend money. Yes, like this, simple. In the chair or stand, close your lips. Once again, yes. Normal breathing, inhale, exhale. Abdominal breathing. Better, abdominal breathing. Inhale, exhale. If you are very keen, our physical education masters, you can also do this way. Exhale, inhale. You can also try abdominal breathing. Pranayama, there are 120 types, but we are interested in therapeutic pranayama. Therapeutic pranayama, anganga pranayama. Energy to organ, part to part, cell to cell. Every cell of the body must be energized. Our duty. The cell which is neglected goes out. The cell which is not filled with energy goes out. That's all. So fundamental. So cell to excel, right? So this is one technique. Only 1 minute time. Do the best. Have glass of water. Again, you clean your eyes with cool water because sun is hot and cool water. Just clean your 2 drops enough. Usnopacharam, Sitalapacharam. Usnopacharam, Sitalapacharam. Solar and lunar. Lunar in the night. The both must be balanced. Okay, 1 minute break. Again, second minute, 2, 3 breaths break. Again, third, like this you can do 7 times. 7 minutes for every minute break. And check your body stamina, withstanding capacity, immunity capacity, and you are the best doctor to yourself. You are the yoga master to yourself. Ultimately, I can do 7 minutes regularly. Physical masters, madams can do, but it requires on your stamina, interest, willpower, time, situation, and the position where you are standing. So all these things you must look into. Better in a garden, or outside park, and or on the terrace. Terrace, safe place, safety, security, terrace. Center of terrace better. Do not go to the wall. Danger. You go to wall, sit down, cell phone coming, and look at the sun. No, no. Children, never go to near the wall. No. Center of terrace, have a chair and glass of water. Do it comfortably. Then you can enjoy. Otherwise, parents worried about you and teachers worried about you. No. Take care of yourself. So as you care yourself, so you cure yourself. So you are the best doctor. You are the finality. You are the ultimate doctor. Listen. That's why I said ultimate breath, intimate silence. Ultimate breath, intimate silence. With breath, we are born. With breath, we live. Without breath, we leave the world.